What's up, everyone? If you've been following along with what's going on with the SEC and centralized finance companies, you've probably experienced some serious FUD regarding cryptocurrency. And if this is all new to you, check out my video from a few weeks ago. The SEC skipped a few chapters in their leadership handbook. Instead of being proactive and working with cryptocurrency companies to integrate their services into our current regulatory system, the SEC has been sitting on the sidelines, leaving crypto companies to operate in muddy, uncharted waters. Then they swooped in and punished BlockFi with a $100 million fine for providing a highly valued service that has never once caused any harm to any of its customers. US customers are no longer able to open an interest-earning savings account with BlockFi or Nexo. Then shortly after that change was made, it was announced that Joe Biden would be making an executive order about cryptocurrencies. The online crypto community went into panic mode. Even my gut told me that something big was about to drop. Whenever there is fear, uncertainty, or doubt, fewer people want to buy and more people want to sell. So the price drops. So what happened in the executive order that Joe Biden signed? Really nothing. Nothing at all. This executive order felt more like a pep rally or a brainstorming session written in overly wordy administrative lingo. Basically, the order stated that different departments within the government need to come together to learn more about cryptocurrency and consider creating a digital currency of their own that will allow the US to be competitive in this new financial market. Cryptocurrency investors let out a huge breath of relief, and instantly the price of Bitcoin immediately shot up from $38,000 to $42,000. This crypto executive order is years late, in my opinion. At this point, El Salvador has already made Bitcoin legal tender. 9 countries have fully launched their own digital currencies. 14 countries, including China and South Korea, are in the pilot stage with their central bank digital currencies and are already preparing for a full launch. Of the countries with the 4 largest central banks, the United States is the furthest behind. Instead of already having a centralized bank digital currency, we have multiple stablecoins, USDC and USDT, that are pegged to the US dollar. These are not issued by the central bank, but are instead competing directly against it. I was surprised that there wasn't anything bigger announced. Though there is no way to stop Bitcoin, I thought that the order would be much more aggressive and actually implement something. Whether that something was the release of a central bank digital currency or more regulations on stablecoins and passive income platforms. It turns out that all this hype was for nothing. For now. The executive order really highlighted just how slowly the US is moving in the cryptocurrency world. Based on this regulatory update, or lack thereof, I will continue to hold about 20% of my crypto on interest-earning savings accounts. I have it spread out across 7 different platforms to mitigate some of the risk of investing. Will US investors easily be able to get returns like 12.73% APY on their crypto forever? Who knows, but I'm going to ride this wave for as long as possible. Currently, no new US customers can open an interest-earning savings account with BlockFi or Nexo. And I think that there are definitely more cryptocurrency regulations on their way regarding these types of accounts. But there has been somewhat of a precedent set that people who already had an interest-earning savings account get grandfathered in and can continue to earn passive income even after the SEC comes knocking on the lending company's door. Of course, this isn't financial advice, but it might be smart to open an account now so that you can get in while you still can. US customers are able to create an account with Celsius, Ledn, Voyager, Hodlnaut, and Vauld to earn passive income. As far as my other cryptocurrency that's not invested, I'm holding on to it tighter than ever before because I am bullish. I doubt I'll ever get on here and make a short-term price prediction about Bitcoin. The market is still so small and so new that any global event or any news release has a massive impact on the price. It's impossible to predict. What I am confident in saying is that the executive order further legitimized cryptocurrency. I'm sure if you're watching this channel, you don't need the US government to legitimize cryptocurrency for you to be a believer. However, the majority of people and businesses still don't have any skin in this game. We might surround ourselves with people who are obsessed with Bitcoin and do everything they possibly can to stack sats, but most people don't care about it at all. Many people still think that Bitcoin is some sort of Ponzi scheme, that it is the cause of environmental destruction, or that the government will somehow kill it. Most people believe that Bitcoin enthusiasts are out of touch with reality. This executive order is going to make more people and businesses take cryptocurrency seriously, and global adoption will continue to increase. And because I believe that stablecoins are next to get hit by US regulations, I'm expecting more investors to move their USDC and USDT into the grandmother of them all, the one that can't be stopped, Bitcoin, which will obviously make the price go up. That's my take. Shout out to all of you who are subscribed to my channel. Your support is motivating me to keep going on this YouTube journey. And if you're new here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button, join us, and follow along. As always, if you're signing up with any of the companies that I review in this channel, make sure to use my referral links that are listed down below. All of the bonuses and commission I earn are reinvested into equipment so that I can make better and better videos for all of you. It's kind of like a circle of love. Thanks everyone. I will see you all next week. And until then, happy hodling.